How to use different moving averages in forex. Moving averages are popular technical indicators in forex trading that help smooth out price data to identify trends and potential entry or exit points. There are various types of moving averages, each with its own characteristics. Here's a guide on how to use different moving averages in forex trading. 1. Simple moving average SMA calculation. The SMA is calculated by adding up a set number of closing prices and then dividing by the number of periods. Interpretation. SMAs are useful for identifying the overall direction of the trend. Traders often use crossovers between short-term and long-term SMAs to signal potential trend changes. 2. Exponential moving average EMA calculation. The EMA gives more weight to the most recent prices, making it more responsive to changes. The formula involves applying a multiplier to the previous EMA and adding the current price. Interpretation. EMAs react faster to price changes compared to SMAs. They are suitable for traders who want more timely signals. 3. Weighted moving average WMA calculation. WMAs assign different weights to different prices within the period, emphasizing certain data points. Interpretation. WMAs, like EMAs, provide more weight to recent prices. They are more responsive to current market conditions. 4. Smoothed moving average SMMA calculation. SMMA uses a simple smoothing method, averaging prices over a specified period. Interpretation. SMMA is less responsive to short-term fluctuations, providing a smoother representation of the overall trend. Using moving averages in forex. 1. Trend identification. Use longer-term SMAs or EMAs to identify the overall trend direction. A bullish trend is often confirmed when shorter-term averages cross above longer-term averages, and vice versa for a bearish trend. 2. Crossovers. Look for crossovers between different moving averages as potential entry or exit signals. For example, a buy signal occurs when a short-term SMA crosses above a long-term SMA, indicating a potential upward trend. 3. Support and resistance. Moving averages can act as dynamic support or resistance levels. Prices often bounce off or penetrate moving averages, providing insights into potential reversal points. 4. Divergence. Pay attention to divergence between price action and moving averages. If prices are making new highs, but the moving averages are not, it may signal a weakening trend. 5. Risk management. Moving averages can help set stop-loss levels by identifying key support or resistance areas. Adjust position sizes based on the distance between the current price and the moving average. Remember that no single indicator is foolproof, and it's essential to use moving averages in conjunction with other technical and fundamental analysis tools for a comprehensive trading strategy. Additionally, consider the time frame that aligns with your trading style, as moving averages may behave differently on various timescales. For more details, watch my other videos, subscribe, ask a question in the comments, or contact me via email. See you soon.